meron ba tong, may mic ba to or meron, no?
Meron, may mic
Okay,
yan.
so right now we're going back to Manila.
No, we're going back to Cebu.
When, look at this guy. Tulog na tulog yan. Dami niya nainom kagabi. Lalo na nasa likod, isang babae doon, yun. Daming alak na nairim ni nun. Ano to? May topak to.
Sino yung lasinggero dyan?
Oh, yeah. Another girl there, it's just pretending sleeping. Okay?
Sira.
So, this time it's already 8. Almost 8. And it's just like an hour, about 5 p.m. in the Philippines.
8 p.m. at night.
Yep, 8 p.m. at night. Oh, first time I see a trailer.
Mag-comment kayo dyan.
Okay.
I-post natin ito sa,
Okay.
sa YouTube.
No
comment.
Okay, good comment. It's a good comment. Yeah, no comment.
Trailer.
Oh, okay.
Malaking bus yun.
It's a bus. Okay. What about the two girls behind the back?
Lasing sila.
Oh, lasing. Sobrang sobrang lasing sa tulog.
Lasing.
So, what can you say?
I'm sleeping now.
Oh, good.
Tired.
She's in cruise control already.
You don't have the right to sleep.
See how